Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Believe it or not, March is already here. And as we've done the past couple of years, I'm in a collaboration for the Pies of March. So I hope today I'm going to bring you something a little bit different that might not be like everybody else's pies. At least I certainly hope so. So the Pies of March is co-hosted by Leanne from Mennonite Farmhouse and Tony from Kettle Kitchen. Of importance to note is that they're going to have a live stream giveaway the first week of April, and the grand prize will be a $100 gift card. There will be other prizes for collaborators and comment pickers as well. So make sure that you comment not only on my video, but on the other videos that are in the playlist for the Pies of March to increase your chances of being randomly picked. Let's see. Comment below to be entered in the grand prize drawing. State other prizes will be given by using the hashtag tool for those that are present at the live. Let's see. And besides commenting and hashtagging it, not only my video but the others that are in a collaboration of the Pies of March, the live giveaway will be on April 4th. And we'll be on the Mennonite Farmhouse at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 6:30 p.m. Central, 5:30 Mountain, and 4:30 Pacific. So the channels that are doing this with me, or I'm doing with them, I should say, obviously Mennonite Farmhouse, Christine from Mrs.GilliamFarms, Noreen's Kitchen, Our Small Town Life, the Inquisitive Farmwife, Suburban Homesteader, and Southern Kitchen, Molly Purcell at 99 Acre Family Farms, Greg's Cumberlachia Kitchen, that's a new one for me, Hat Creek Homestead, me, Lazy Days Ahead, Jenny's Scratch-Made Kitchen, Hoddle House, Milk Honey Heritage Farms, My Table of Three, Nanny Tam, Hirschberger's Miracle Homestead, Rouse Rising, The Tilted Crown Gourmet, Rooted in Texas, Big Valley Living, Blue Self-Reliance, Grace and Fire, Pike Creek Farm, The Flavorful Home, Mud and Mascara Homestead, and Kettle Kitchen. So that's a great list of folks. There's actually two new ones there that I'm not familiar with that I've got to check out myself. But we're going to enjoy this, and I always enjoy seeing what everybody else comes up with. This year I have, I think, kind of a new one for you. It's called the Amish Tears on My Pillow Pie. And the reason for it's called that, this is basically is a very simple four ingredient pie. It's basically a brown sugar pie, and it puffs up when it bakes. And we only bake it for 15 minutes, and then we turn off the heat and just let it sit there in the oven for an hour. So it's pretty simple, but after it settles, then the puff goes away and it sits down, and so it doesn't look like a souffle anymore. So supposedly that's where the name came from. But this is a really simple Amish brown sugar pie, and well, let's get to it. So we're just going to mix all the ingredients in here together. Got half a cup of evaporated milk, a third cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1.5 cups of brown sugar. I'm going to combine these first. I have a pie crust ready, and all I'm going to do is pour this in. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, or until it's looking browned on top. And as soon as that happens, I'm going to turn the oven off and let it sit for an hour to fully bake as a kind of the custard that it is, and set. We'll come back then. She's out of the oven. She's got that little bit of crust, but she's got to set and cool, firm up. Here she is. So there's the Tears on the Pillow pie. It's not fancy, but it's tasty, and boy, you should smell it. And I put a little ice cream with it, a la mode, so you know it comes next. Here it is, in all its buttery and brown sugary glory. But the proof's always in the taste, right? And this will solidify up even more after it totally cools. There's just no way you can go wrong with this. It's so simple, but it's really, really yummy. That's sweet, but it's yummy. As with all my videos, recipe will be in the description below, along with the link to my pie crust video. Remember to check out the playlist for the rest of Pies of March, and give the Mennonite Farmhouse and Tony at Kettle Kitchen some love, and check out the pies, and let's be making some pies for March.